Hello guys, my name is Samriddhi Tripathi and I study in class 5th. In last video I have tell you about health, but in this video I will tell you about diseases. So there are many kinds of diseases, but in this video only I will tell you about vitamin defined diseases. Vitamin defined diseases, what are they and what kinds of they are. So today in this video I will explain about it. So, what is the vitamin defined diseases? When in our body we do not eat fruit and vegetables because fruit and vegetables have lot of vitamin. So we do not eat rich foods of vitamin, then our body get loss of vitamin. Then we get many diseases of vitamin defined diseases like beriberi, survival, etc. So today in this video I will tell you about 4 diseases of the vitamin defined diseases. So first is beriberi. Beriberi is the beriberi is causes by the vitamin B1. When in our body the vitamin B1 become low, then beriberi in our body beriberi diseases enter and it gets started. So what happened in that time, our muscles means our muscular system get weaker and weaker, and also our bones, our skin get thicker, and our also bones you can see when you will open your body, then you can also see the bones. So this is called the beriberi. In this time we should eat chicken, egg, corn and beans. These 4 things will help you to increase your vitamin. So next is survival. Survival is an important disease that always many people are suffering from this disease. In this disease, our gums means gums are the skin of the teeth. They attach the teeth to our mouth. These gums get destroyed, means they get damaged. Slowly they get blacker, and also blood start coming in the mouth. So gums get damaged, and also the teeth also broken and they will get out, then we cannot have any teeth to eat. So this is the common disease nowadays because many people are suffering from it. In this time we should eat lemon, amla, lemon, amla, green mango, etc. These 3 things and many more things like pumpkin, these all things we should eat. They also increase our vitamin and also always and also keep the gums strong. Okay, now I have told you 2 diseases. Now third diseases is also very important, that is night blindness. Nowadays night blindness is also a very common disease. Every people have these diseases. Some people eyes are almost red, means they are full when the night get darker and darker, their eyes also get red. So this in this we cannot see, means we get blind. So in this disease we should eat mangoes, eggs and also many things. So in this disease you should eat these things. Next, last disease is also very important. It now I have told you beriberi, survival, and now I will tell you about rickets. So what is rickets? Rickets is a common disease. It is also where this disease is also find common in the children's. Some people's this disease our bones get curved like this. Our bones are straight, but in this disease our bones get curved. Every bone of the body get curved, means we cannot walk properly, we will go like this. So in this disease we should eat mangoes, pumpkins, papayas, etc. These three things will help you to increase your vitamin, and also will keep the bone straight. And also always drink milk, because for bones milk is very important because it has calcium. So if you like my video, then please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.